I've got 6 side hustles that can make you up to $300 per day that just about anyone can do. Number 1 is going to be garbage, but I'm not talking about the Detroit Lions, I'm talking about dumpster rentals. A dumpster is not only a walking billboard, but it's also real estate on wheels. Now that I mention it, you're going to start to see dumpsters pop up everywhere. Most of the time you see them is going to be construction sites. That's going to be for residential or commercial real estate. There are a bunch of different dumpsters that you can purchase ranging anywhere from 50 to 40 yards. You can start with rubber wheel or roll-off dumpsters. The ideal size for this business is 10, 20, 30, and sometimes 40, depending on your goals and your target market. You can purchase dumpsters as low as $5,000. In my area on Facebook Marketplace, I found this 30-yard dumpster for $6,000. I'll throw them an offer anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000. The average rent for 30 yards is going to be between $450 to $600. That's going to be for a 3 to 7 day rental. That includes 5 tons of trash into that price. Anything over that 5 tons is an extra usually $40 to $75 per ton. The only cost to you as the business owner is the fuel to transport, insurance, and the cost to drop the debris at the landfill. The average cost to drop it at the landfill near me in my area is $50 per ton. So after paying your fees for your fuel and dropping the debris at the landfill, you're looking at between $150 to $300. Once you have more than one dumpster, you'll see where you're able to make $300 or more per day for a dumpster rental. Number 2 is selling wooden pallets. Think to yourself, how many times have you seen random wooden pallets just land all over the place? You can start turning those wooden pallets to hard-earned cash money. Companies pay anywhere from 50 cents all the way up to $4 per wooden pallet. How much they pay depends on a few different factors. Number 1 is the condition of the pallet. The better the condition, the more money you make. Number 2 is the size. The bigger the pallet, the more cash. And number 3 is the quantity. The more pallets you have, the more money you will get. A lot of companies only buy with a minimum pallets that you have. A lot of them that I've found when doing my research only buy a minimum of 200 pallets. I've even seen companies say they only buy if you have a semi-load full of pallets. But the bigger question is, where can you get those pallets from? You can get pallets from anywhere. You can get them from warehouses, small businesses, stores, or even online. But before you go to the back of these stores and you just take those pallets, make sure you ask first. You don't want the police banging on your door saying, hey, you stole 200 pallets from Walmart, now you're going to jail or you're getting fined. So make sure you go in and ask those companies if you can get those pallets from them. You can sell those pallets on Craigslist, Camp Pallets, or even Google companies in your area that buy pallets. Number 3 is an ATM business. If you have an extra $5,000 just laying in your savings account, this is a great business for you. Instead of earning pennies on your dollar, you're going to be earning at minimum $3 per transaction when you have an ATM machine. One of my best friends has an ATM business at a nightclub in the area. He's charging $4.75 per transaction. You may be saying, but Tim, that's a lot of money just to use that ATM. But honestly, I went to a strip club a couple months back for my brother's bachelor party. They would charge you $20 per $100 that you pulled out. So that means they only needed 30 people to use that ATM machine to earn $300 per day. The average price from an ATM is anywhere from $2,500 to $2,700. That includes free shipping, and they also set up your ATM at your location. The average transaction fee for your ATM is $3. So that means you need 100 transactions to reach that $300. Realistically, you need to be in high traffic areas that only take cash. You want to be at gas stations, dispensaries, liquor stores, smoke shops, or anywhere that takes cash. Or if you're smart, you need to be in a strip club making $20 per $100. If you have multiple machines, then it's a lot easier to get to that 100 transactions per day. Outside of the cost of the machine, you need to have insurance. That's going to be $6 per month, and you're going to be paying 25 cents per transaction. If you have a business and you're in Michigan and you're in need of an ATM machine, contact Fortress Financial ATM. Their number is 313-799-0040. If not, you can contact them at fortressfinancialatm@gmail.com. Make sure you shoot them an email or give them a call today and get that ATM machine set up in your business. Number 4 is flipping shoes. The shoe market is a billion-dollar business. The great thing is, Nike just released a statement that they're cracking down on sneaker bots. A lot of those people that are using those bots to win those shoes are out of luck. These shoes right here are called the Olympic Sixes. I purchased these in 2012 for $160. These same shoes are selling for well over $300. So I could have made double my money by buying these shoes and reselling them. For the people that are going to say, but that was 10 years ago. Trust me, shoes right now are still selling for double the price. I can still buy shoes right now for $200 and go back and resell them for $500. Buying and selling shoes is an ultimate side hustle that comes with a lot of work. You have to download all of the sneaker apps, look up the release dates, look up how exclusive they are, and how you're gonna get them. For example, right now, they got some Florida A&M dunks that are coming out on the 18th this month. They're releasing for $120. They're right now reselling for between $500 to $1,000. You can buy those shoes with your credit card, get the cashback rewards, sell them, pay off your credit card, and keep the profit. The sneaker market is a hustle, but if you get the right connections, you can honestly turn this into a main hustle. A lot of people are buying shoes, clothes, and a bunch of different things with a resale value and opening up stores. You can do this just as well. Number 5 is YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube channels are a great side hustle, and honestly, they're a lot easier than making a channel just like I have right here. You have to find out what your niche will be, and you find 3 to 5 channels in your niche, copy them but literally not verbatim, and post videos just like them with your own spin on it. You can post like soothing sounds, motivational videos, sports highlights, or anything that you enjoy. You can post and make a lot of money for it. You have to find someone to place all of your content together, have a great person who does thumbnails relatable to your channel. Your thumbnail is going to be like a great first impression. So you want your thumbnail to be very relatable and for people to click on that to watch your videos. After you get your thumbnail and all of your content put together, you're gonna schedule your posts and enjoy the money flowing in. You can easily make $300 to $500 per day by posting faceless YouTube videos. Number 6 is to lease an office or a building space. You're gonna find a commercial space in your area. You're gonna rent it out for between $750 to $1,000 per month. You're then gonna host a weekend business expo event. You're gonna be charging between $50 to $100 per small business. You're then gonna go out and find customers to come support those small businesses. You're also gonna host baby showers, parties, family events, or anything that people need a large enough space for. When things start to get slow and you don't have events set up, you're gonna also post your event space on purespace.com. You're gonna be charging $75 plus an hour to rent your space for photographers, church services, or even business meetups. An event space is a great way to make money. You can easily make $300 plus every single day. Any of these side hustles can be done right now today with a little bit of money, hustle, and hard work. If you feel like I missed a side hustle that can make up to $300 per day, drop a comment in the section below and let me know. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. It helps this channel get picked up in front of a larger audience. My goal is to reach 50,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a video. And as always, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys so much. How much money every single month will make you comfortable? Like, is it 5,000, 10,000, 20,000? Just to have you like complacent, where like you're not struggling, you can honestly pay all of your bills, live comfortable, travel. How much money every single month will make you comfortable?